Okay, welcome back to another exciting episode. I know my shoes are pretty fly, I can't really help it. So, in today's video, I'm gonna put some fishing clips in at the end of today's video. Yesterday I went out fishing and it wasn't enough to make it a whole entire video, but I probably caught the coolest, like it was just the coolest fish catch I've ever had in my entire life, and I have to put it in a video. So at the end of this video, after I go over everything, I'm 100% gonna show you guys that because it's wild. So there'll be a little bit of a fishing portion at the end, just show you guys some fishing, so it's not all just me sitting here and talking to you guys. But without further ado, I haven't even opened this, by the way. I haven't even opened this. This right here is a whole entire box filled with Googan baits. This is a little bit ripped because I used it to carry it like this. I promise you guys, I'm not lying. Haven't opened it. Haven't even opened it. Let's do this. Always cut away from you. Sick. Okay. Okay. I'm really excited. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Let me show you guys what you're missing right now. Okay. So now you guys can see, hey, what's up? I placed probably the biggest order I've ever placed for fishing tackle in my entire life. And I thought, hey, why not make a YouTube video out of it? So, if you can't tell, this whole entire box contains of green, and that is Googan bait. So, I placed, this is about a $600 order of Googan baits. This is pretty crazy, I know, but I did it. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh my, all right. And just to give a little bit of heads up, this is not even everything that I ordered. Obviously, I'm missing a lot of apparel that I purchased, but that's coming, which is kind of a bummer I can't show you guys, but either way, this is gonna be pretty sick to show you guys. So let's dive right into it. Stop talking. All right, first we got the Googan Bait Saucy Swimmer right here. This thing, I purposely got the 4.8. I believe this is the biggest size that they make. I got this one to striper fish with and put on a little jig head, a big jig head, and use it to catch stripers. So I got some bigger size of the 4.8. I got 2 of those. And then a 3.3. This is more of like my smallmouth type of fishing right here. Throw these in some creeks that I know of that I think they would do amazing at. The Mondo worms, I got this is the plum color. I feel like the plum color has to be my favorite for Mondo worm. But anyways, Mondo worm, check. Slim Shake, both in Alabama craw color right here. So we got Slim Shake. This is another Slim Shake. This is watermelon red. Trench hog. Throw this baby on a Texas rig. This is my favorite color. This is blue baby. Every Googan bait that they make in a blue baby color, it's just my favorite color, hands down. This is another blue baby. This right here is a 6-inch Lunker Log pearl color. I always forget the white ones are called the pearl for them, but yeah, pearl. This is gonna be killer for bed fishing, muddy water, you name it. Oh, another one. More Lunker Logs, different color. This is black and blue flake. This one right here I'm stoked about. This is the cinnamon color for the Lunker Log. This I'm mostly excited about because cinnamon's definitely one of the best colors that they make, in my opinion, for stick baits. The cinnamon color is just so sick. Moving on, we got Trench Hog Green Pumpkin. Can't go wrong with green pumpkin. Trench Hog Green Pumpkin again. What is this? Watermelon Red Slim Shake. Yes, sir. Oh, this is sick. I love this. This is a Googan Scout by Ketchco as well. This thing is so sick looking. I mean, I don't know how you couldn't want to throw this. This thing's just dirty. Look at that. Now we got Kraken Craw in Alabama craw color. This is one of my favorite colors that they make for craw because I just feel like it's pretty dang close to the color of a crawfish near me, at least. So one of my favorites. And then, oh my God, I got a lot of Ned rigs, I'm not gonna lie. A whole bunch of Ned rigs. This one is the Mooncake. I think I got a couple Dirty Rice ones. I don't really know. And then we got the Dragon Drop in a natural color. I don't know if you guys can see how shiny that is. This is definitely one of my favorite colors for the Dragon Drop that they make. Another natural one, and then Green Pumpkin Dragon Drop as well. And then we got Bandito Bug. We got another Bandito Bug, Okeechobee Craw in blue baby color. This is blue penny. I actually caught a lot of fish. This is my #1 color that I used this year for Ned rigs, was this color right here. Yeah, this one's pretty sweet. I love this color, and I just think the word blue penny just sounds cool, so I don't know. But it works really well in the waters near me. And then we got the Kraken Craw, Okeechobee Craw color. You can't go wrong with black and blue anything. And then more bandito bugs, blue baby. I have so many blue babies, it's insane, but favorite color that they make for sure. This is the pearl bandito bug. Yes, sir. More Kraken Craws. More Kraken Craws. Pearl bandito bug. Blue penny. Mooncake, Rattling Ned. Dirty rice. This is what I'm talking about. The dirty rice Googan base one. I don't know what it is, but this one's probably up there in one of my favorite colors that they make for Rattling Neds. I just think they're sick. Money. Okay. Now, drag and drop. Again, green pumpkins. Can never have too many. What's this? Dirty rice again. We got another dirty rice. And then we got Slim Shake, Okeechobee Craw. Slim Shake, Okeechobee Craw. And then we got 20-pound fluorocarbon. My most trusted line I've ever bought in my life is definitely this right here. For fluorocarbon, 100%. Same thing with braid as well, and I don't really use mono, but I do have Googan Squad mono line in my house. I just don't, I don't know. I'm more of a fluorocarbon person, but there's sometimes obviously where mono is like your best bet. But anyways, this right here, oh dude, yes, this is my favorite color. Or I wouldn't say my favorite color, but yeah, Zinger spinnerbait. You can never have too many spinnerbaits. The black buzz bait. I'm stoked about this one right here. I think they're honestly sold out right now, black buzz baits, and there's a good reason as to why. They're killer. We got the Grande Banger right here. We got the Scout. I love all white Scouts. I don't know what this one's called. Pearl Bone. Sweet. I actually own 3 of these already, but you know, you can never have too many of the hounds. This one's a topwater walking bait. Killer. It's so subtle, and it's actually really good for like that spring transitioning into topwater bite. Like you're not really at topwater bite, but you kind of are. I would recommend picking up some hounds because it's just like, I don't know, it's good. I'm telling you, trust me. And then we got another Grande Banger. I think I already, oh no, yeah, this is a different one. Grande Banger. This one is the Citrus Shad. Probably my favorite jig that I've ever used that's ever came into my hands. This is a little juicy finesse jig. So this one is like probably the best jig for anyone who's trying to get into fishing with jigs, because when you just go straight into trying to fish with a jig, it's so overwhelming. It's just kind of a scary tactic to get into, but this is probably the perfect jig. It's 1/4 ounce. You can't go wrong with it. And the weed guard is incredible, so you don't have to really worry about too many snags with it. I mean, you're supposed to throw these things in heavy cover, but you won't really have to worry too much about it getting snagged because of how good this weed guard is. I have about 12 of these, just being honest. And then we got Drag and Drop Morning Dawn. This is a smallmouth killer. Like this color right here, I'm telling you, take my word for it, okay? Right now we got another Scout. You can't go wrong. This is Algae Bone. I did not even say that. I don't think I said that right, but pretty sweet colors right there. Can't go wrong with that either. We got another juicy jig. This one is the little juicy finesse jig, but this is a 3/8 ounce. So they make a 3/8 ounce as well. So I picked some of those up, and then they make 5/16 ounce. Pick that one up, and then this is this one's like their PB&J color right here. This is their flipping jig. I have a soft spot in my heart for PB&J colored jigs because that's the color jig that I caught my first ever smallmouth on, and yeah, so I'm just addicted to PB&J colors for jigs anytime that I'm fishing for smallmouth. So picked up one of those. Right here we got the Zinger spinnerbait, all white, can't go wrong with that. All white, can't go wrong with that. And then we got another Zinger. You just can't go wrong with spinnerbaits, you know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong with it. And then another PB&J 3/8 ounce. I actually thought I only grabbed one, but I got 2 of them. This is another little juicy finesse jig, just a different color. Decided to switch things up a little bit. Can't always get the same color. And then we got a casting jig, love that. And then this thing right here, again, I mostly got this for like smallmouth and creek fishing, but this works perfect in many different scenarios. The best that you could probably get for fishing ponds, just because it's just, look at the size of it, it's perfect. And that pre-spawn and that spawn, anything that's craw colored like this is just gonna kill it, just kill it. So that's my box. that's my box. Let me put you guys back up for 1 second. Are you good? Can you? Nope. Yeah, it looks good. So yeah, that's everything that I got. It's a lot. If you guys want literally anything on the Googan Squad website, you can use my code and get 15% off your whole entire order. I highly recommend it. Yeah, they're an amazing sponsor of mine. I absolutely love working with them. Not only because they have great people working with them and for them, and everyone in the Googan Squad is just great, but their products are just top notch in my opinion. I've never used baits that I like so much in my entire life. And I'm not even just saying soft plastics, I'm saying hard baits, top waters, soft plastics, the line, the terminal tackle that they're slowly starting to make right now, which is crazy. So yeah, I highly recommend picking some up. I've also been killing it lately on the Saucy Swimmer. I'm gonna give a special shout out to the Saucy Swimmer because I've caught a lot of fish on it just this past week on them. So I had to stack up on them. Like, this is absurd. Do you guys see this? So much. I'm gonna stand for this part. So, moral of the story is thank you so much, Googan Squad, for the opportunity. I couldn't be more happy to work with you guys. Like, I've been using your baits for as long as I can remember. The second you guys came out with baits, I remember picking them up right away and I was so excited. Oh, here's my neighbor's dog. I was really hoping, nope. I was really hoping that they just wouldn't come outside, but too good to be true. All right, I think they're gone. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little segment. I thought it would just be really cool to make a whole video out of all this because it's a lot of stuff. I just said stuff, didn't I? I meant to say stuff. It's a lot of stuff. And I know a lot of people like tackle hauls, so this isn't all the baits that I have of Googan baits. Like, you should see my garage. My garage is pretty bad. So why not just make it worse and add more, you know? Googan baits make everything better anyway, so, you know. Ah, is that good? No. I saw that coming from a mile away. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys some clips from yesterday. Yesterday was just so crazy. I went out with Grace and she hasn't caught her first bass yet. So she's going to catch her first bass of the year, which is awesome. I catch the coolest catch I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, if you guys aren't blown away, then I don't know. Just a heads up, it was extremely windy, so you guys are definitely going to hear some wind noise. I apologize for that. I'm working on trying to figure that out for a GoPro. There's a lot of different options that you can do to protect your GoPro from wind noise. So I'm slowly getting there, but with everything going on, it's kind of difficult for me to go to the store and like purchase this stuff. So I've been making online orders, but I don't want to make too many orders because that's just, you know, why make things harder for people right now. So yeah, there's that. So I hope you guys enjoy the next couple of clips of us catching fish. It was a solid day of fishing for sure, but again, not enough to make a whole entire video out of it. So I decided to make this little segment, and then you guys get to catch, and then you guys get to catch, and then you guys get to watch us catch some fish. So it's a win-win for everyone. Anyways, if you guys want to pick up some Googan baits, link down below. It'll be labeled. Use my code BECCA. But anyways, I'm going to roll the clips right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode and enjoy us catching some fish in the next couple of clips. But in my next video, I promise I'll be fishing. And yeah, the weather has just been really brutal lately, so I apologize for that. But I've been still getting on some really good fish and making content for you guys as much as I possibly can. This is the time to make content, so I've been really trying to push as hard as I possibly can. But anyways, let's roll the clips. Oh, you guys almost just fell again. You guys almost just fell again. All right, that's my cue to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time catching some fish. Oh, got one. That was so scary. Oh, he's not even that cold. Hey, buddy. Nice little fish on the jerkbait. Googan Squad Scout, baby. See ya. Yeah, I have a fish, I think. Oh yeah, fish on! Oh, I couldn't tell. There we go, okay. Okay. We're on to something with the jerkbait, I guess. Wow, I came here the other morning and didn't catch anything. 2 fish. Not too shabby. See you, bud. You got one! You got one! You got one! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I did that.
Let's go! Look at you! Yeah!
Ow, he hooked me.
Oh my god, I was just taking an Instagram story and Grace just pulled a bass out. You got it. Ate the lunker log, 6-inch lunker log. How do you feel?
Great.
You look like a boy right now. You want me to do it?
Please.
Alright. Goodbye. See you later, buddy. How do you feel? Here, take my rod. Or like reel it in, work it. Work a jerk bait. Oh my god! Holy crap, Grace! Holy crap! Grace! Grace! Do you know what this is?
Shiner.
Holy crap! No! You were gonna take a million pictures with that thing. Grace!
I got it on the jerk bait, Googan.
Grace was stuck, so I was trying to help her and like get her unstuck, so she reeled in my rod and caught a dude. No, don't want
Little twirly shell.
biggest shot I've ever seen in my life. Thank you.
Meanwhile,
Wow. Everyone, this is the size of the shiner. Insane. He went right. There he is. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's sick.